Hello everybody who likes the Infiniti. Yes, this time Infiniti is the car what we like to find out what in here we have. Actually, there's a plenty stuff in here. If you have a closer look, you had 4 cylinders on one side and 4 cylinders on other side. So it's completely petrol car. Actually, I can't say any words about these engines. You know maybe better than me. Anyway, there's a gas system on it as well, as you can see here. All that, of course, because the petrol is pretty expensive in our days. But the problem was with this system, which one called the SkyBrake, I would reckon. Even probably not that much, as long as the car was not able to start. The car was not able to start, there was no electric power, and we did find of plenty of stuff like this, where the wires being connected, something is being connected to the wires, which one is like an immobilizer or stuff like that. There we find out there is some kind of relay as well. If we have a closer look, then we get out plenty of stuff out of it, which one we don't need it. Then we have some kind of relay which one blocks the plus and minus, so we cut that thing out of there. And yeah, new battery on. So checked all the pluses in here. You have to definitely see if you have all plus in here, otherwise there is no chance you can do anything. There should be a pluses. We didn't got any pluses in here, so that was the problem. At the end of the day, the car of course did not start at all, and all that stuff was not unable to do any driving or anything. So inside of the car, what we can see here, we did take everything in the pieces. Actually, this one got a full keyless go system. We did take out everything to find location where can be the cutted wires, where there can be can line. It's a full automatic gearbox. It's plenty of electronics on side of the seats, of course, one and another one. So we have some gas systems in here as well, plenty of wires, everything, and a lot of the things is not original. If you find any joints like these ones, you can see here, you can definitely tell that this thing is not original there. But you have to find out which one is for the gas system, which one is for the alarm system, safety systems, and Parktronic as well. This one you may know, then this is probably some SkyBrake or any alarm system on the car, but actually no, it's just a parking system. And all of it in there. We have some OBD stuff. If you have a closer look, then this thing is able, just pretty easy. You get your OBD port. Look, it's OBD2, as you can see here, and you can plug it to the OBD. And you have some readings from the electronic control unit. You can see some temperature, some speed, and other stuffs. So the dash did not came on at all. So at the moment we can see then we have some progress. We did switch on ignition now. We did start the car, but it takes a lot. So we have plenty of stuff all the way around. Everything in here, all the things need to be taken out. We did find some green wire in here, but that's for the gas system. This gas is installed on the back. This side looks pretty nice and lovely. Yes, definitely, because it's Infiniti. Lovely stuff. So let's see quicker start possibilities. What else do you need to know? Then if you have keyless go system, then you have just this kind of switch. You can probably put the key inside here. This is an IMMO reader. This block reads the immobilizer, and can see the car for the start. So after the pretty long period of fixing Infiniti, we had that live and all finished. Look on that body. A little bit cold outside, a little bit frosty weather, a little bit dirty wheels. That's not the big deal as long as you had Infiniti. So we have some lovely signs on the back. We have some logos and stuff like that. But this car actually is pretty nice car. It's a little exclusive, a little lovely. Lovely jolly. You have these little keyless buttons, so make sure you work them okay. Open up, and this is how it looks like inside when you got all the things done and all the things cool. Look on these. Nice lovely buttons, nice steering wheel, central column. If you need to know where the fuses is for these and these, just find there. in here. This is the place where the fuse box is for all that stuff. Automatic gearbox, all starts good. The seats good. So what we can say, let's start it after some time. It was a little bit sitting out here. We still have some problems with the doors. Probably need to replace the locking thing because it's not closing all the way down, so it's not enough power to lock it down. So I need to fix the doors. This is one thing. Then we have plenty of these gas systems back on and stuff like that. This OBD is back, that is back, all in the same place. What I like about this dash, then when you, of course, it's fully keyless go, like I said. You just put key wherever you like, and you just need to turn the ignition key. So let's turn it. You see how the steering is going down? Is that nice? So the dash is fully fully fitted. I need to turn on the wipers, but the dash is fully with the steering wheel. It's a all-way one column, so that's kind of cool. Let's turn a little bit down the radio. So radio is working now. It was off and the fuse was gone in there. All this heating system is okay and the driving system is okay. We have some lights on the dash. So basically, yes, when you switch on ignition, you have some lights in there where it's find the key or not found the key, and start the engine. Very good. Wrap up the engine. Say VDC off, ABS and slip control. These actually, it's called 1, 2, 3, 4 systems is off just because of rear right RPM sensor, which one is down there on the back. On the ABS ring is gone probably, but no, there is ABS sensor, which one is gone. Need to fix, so then you can get all these faults off. All other things. Look on this sound. Wow, 8 cylinders. You don't go too high because the engine is cold. You need to heat up the engine to get on the normal heat. So don't over rush on the cold. Just a little bit, just a fraction. You got full tank with petrol. Whoa, that science always feels nice when you get that full. Lovely jolly. What else I can tell you? Yeah, we put all these things together. So what you have to know is you have to watch for these things. Make sure you always change in the time battery, because this thing is all what you get if it will not gonna be okay. If gonna, whoop, don't break it. Yeah, it had to be some plate. It's called some some corpus, some plate all the way around with the plastic thing or what, to make sure it's safety. Otherwise, if it's gonna be bad, and you will not gonna start anything. You don't got any lights on, nothing. So this have to be always okay. And it's immobilizer, yes, pretty easy is that. So what else can I tell you? Pretty much that all. Thanks for watching. Good luck with the Infinitis, and see you in the next video, probably about the Infiniti, because these cars is not so usually like Audi, Volkswagen and stuff like that. Wagon, this is much more, but this one is just unique car, unique vehicle. So good luck. Don't forget to click subscribe button and like button. Bye.